When I was just out of high school, the owner of the arch company I worked for in Tuscaloosa reached out to me about beginning an apprenticeship for machine tool CNC. In my mind, I had a picture of a dark, dirty, oily machine shop. But when I walked in, I was pleasantly surprised. It was clean as a whistle. And it's even cleaner today than it was 20 years ago. The next opportunity I had was in engineering. Went into an engineering role for the next several years, and that was with no formal engineering education. Everything was taught to me there at Arch Tuscaloosa. I love where I work, that's why I've been there for more than 22 years. Mentoring is it's really at the center of our business. We want to be a continual learning, continuous improvement organization. And we're fortunate to work with industry experts across Arch that we can lean on one another to learn. The technology has changed, it's changing every day, and we're here at IMTS now to see what's new. We're always looking ahead and trying to stay ahead of the curve. We know that that's the way we serve our customers best. We do a lot of space components, and it's a really cool thing to look up, at night and know that some of my parts are up there. They're overhead in orbit. We have a very diverse workforce. They come from a diverse background, and they're playing on the same playing field. They're playing as one team. And it's easy for us to do because everybody has different ways to contribute to get that same end goal. When we talk with young students and when they first see what machining is and what a large role it plays in their lives, you know that you've possibly planted a seed that can become a career path for someone. And it's even greater when that kid comes back around and he's actually working in your shop. When we make a part that's very difficult, normally it's the product of 10 plus people, maybe 20 plus people working on that project. When we sell that to the customer and the customer's pleased, it's a success for everyone.